How we doing, everyone? We are back again. This time we got two tickets here. We got two of the $20, 230 million cash explosion tickets from the Arizona Lottery. And these ones here, we have the overall odds. Going to be 1 in 3.09, and the prizes range from that $20 up to that top prize of $2.5 million. Today, guys, we have tickets 4 and 5. We're going to get started with ticket 4 here and work our way up. If you have not seen me do these ones here before, we are looking to reveal that money bag symbol there to win $100 instantly, or the 20x symbol to win 20 times our prize. Alright guys, enough talking, let's get into it, get scratching, and get some wins. This is ticket 4. Winning numbers here, we are looking for 2, 49, 48, 4. There's my lucky 44, 18, and 33. Let's start off with a 1, 6, 3, 15, 38, 12, 22, 34, 13, 7, 37, 21, 10, 19, 40. Alright guys, we got 2 rows left. Can we do it? Can we get something? 30, 36, 43, 23, 28. Alright guys, last row. Last chance on this one. 2, and we got a match. Alright, can we get anything else? 17, 32, 26, 47. All right, we got that single match there. Something big. $20. We will take it. We got half our money back so far. Let's go ahead and move on to ticket number 5 here. See if we can get lucky and get that back-to-back win. All right, guys. We are looking for 40, 28, 17, 22, 50, 23, and 3. Let's start out with a 4. 41, 33, 39, 37. Yeah, 46, 17, and we do get lucky and get the back-to-back. All right, guys, let's see. 45, can we get anything else? 6, 16, 27, 35, 12, 11, 2. 2 rows left. 50. And we do get another match. We got a match on 50. 1, 26, 49, 32. Last row. 34. There's my lucky 44. Not on this one. 43. We get another 50. Alright, guys. And 29. Alright, so we got 3 matches there. Let's go ahead and start off with the 17 there. See if we can get something big here. Hey, we got $5 there. Next one is going to be another $5 there. And the last one, 50, is going to be 10 for another 20. All right. We managed to get 2 wins this time. Unfortunately, they were the minimum amount, so we just got our money back, but we will take it. As always, guys, if you have not before, consider hitting that subscribe button. Give this one a thumbs up, and we will see you on the next one.